Hello, my friends. We want to calculate the value of x in this equation. What's the value of x? We all know that sinus of x to the power of 2 plus cosinus of x to the power of 2 equal to 1. If I assume y is equal to sinus of x, so this gives me y2 plus cosinus of x to the power of 2 equal to 1, or cosinus of x to the power of 2 equal to 1 minus y to the power of 2. I can write this formula in the main equation. So the main equation will be 16 to the power of sinus to the power of 2. Instead of sinus, I'm going to put y. So it will be seen y to the power of 2 plus 16 to the power of cosinus to the power of 2. Instead of cosinus to the power of 2, I will write 1 minus y to the power of 2 equal to 10. There is a rule here. We all know a to the power of n minus m equal to a to the power of n divided to a to power of m. I'm going to use this equation to simplify this term. So we're going to have 16 to the power of y2 plus 16 to the power of 1 divided by 16 to the power of y2 equal to 10. I'm going to consider 16 to the power of y2 as an independent variable. I will call it p, and with this assumption, this equation is going to give me p plus 16 divided by p equal to 10, just to simplify this. And then I will multiply both sides of this equation on p. So this gives me p2 plus 16 equal to 10p. I'm going to bring the 10 this side, and I will change the positive to minus, so it will give me p2 minus 10p plus 16 equal to 0. There are different ways to calculate p here. The easiest way is, I'm going to explain you the easiest way here, but if you do not understand and if you need more information, please leave a comment below this video and I will explain more. The easiest way to solve p here is we need to find p1 and p2 in a way that p1 plus p2 is equal to 10, because we have 10 here, and also p1 multiplied by p2 equal to 16, because we have 16 here. And by experience we can find that p1 is equal to 2 and p2 equals to 8, because 2 plus 8 is 10 and 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. So from now we're gonna consider two conditions. So we're gonna solve this for both scenarios. When p is equal to 2, we're gonna use this equation here. So 16 to the power of y to the power of 2 equal to p, which is equal to 2. So this gives us, instead of 16, I can write 2 to the power of 4 in total to the power of y2 equal to 2. And we all know that we can write this as 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by y to the power of 2 equal to 2. And we have here 2 to the power of 1. Because the base is same on both of these, so I can write 4y2 equal to y, and I multiply both sides in 4, so this gives me y to the power of 2 equal to 1 over 2 over 4. It means that y is plus minus 1 over 2. However, y is equal to sinus x. So if I write sinus x is equal to plus minus 1 over 2, so there are two cases here. Either sinus is 1 over 2 or sinus is minus 1 over 2. In this case, the x is equal to 2p plus p over 6, and in this case x is equal to 2p minus p over 6. If you are wondering how I got these values for x, I have another video which I explain how we can calculate the value of sinus and cosinus, and in that video I explained how the x can be equal to 2 pi plus pi over 6. This is scenario number 1. But in scenario number 2, p is equal to 8. So if I write p is equal to 8, and I'm going to do the same procedure here, so it gives me 16 to the power of y2 equals to 8. So this gives me, instead of 16 again, I'm gonna do the same procedure here. It gives me 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by y2 equals to, instead of 8, I'm gonna write 2 to the power of 3. Because the base is similar, the power should be equal to, so it's gonna be 4y2 equal to 3. So this gives us y2 equal to, because I can divide both sides to 4, this gives us y2 is equal to 3 over 4. And if I take a square root from both sides, y equals to plus minus the square root of 3 over 2. Again, we know that y is equal to sinus x. So sinus x is equal to y. So, and we have y value here. So plus minus the square root of 3 over 2. And again, we're gonna have two cases. Sinus x is equal to a square root of 3 over 2, and sinus x equals to minus square root of 3 over 2. From here, we're gonna get x is equal to 2 pi plus p pi over 3. And from here, we're gonna have x equal to 2 pi minus pi over 3. And again, if you need more information how we calculate the x here, I'm gonna leave the video that explains this section more in detail. Please have a look to that video. And in case if you have more questions, please leave a comment below this video and I will respond to them as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching this video.